right, so today we are going to talk about why there is such a demand for midterm rentals. So, first of all, number one is the fact that people can stay for 30 days or longer. So, when you think about hotels, they will not allow you to stay for 30 days or longer. They're kicking you out of there, and so will some short term rentals. They don't want anybody to stay 30 days or longer because they're afraid of squatters, right? But with midterm rentals, people have the luxury of staying somewhere more than 30 days and they can do that for as long as they need to, and there's no problem. No one is knocking on their door telling them they have to leave or they have to switch locations multiple times because of the length of their stay. All right, so number two, let's talk about the value. Yes, the value. Midterm rentals are reasonably priced for what you receive. Now, when you think about a hotel and you have to stay there for a long period of time, that gets very, very expensive. And so do short term rentals. But with the midterm rental, it's moderately priced and it's that happy medium for between short term and long term rentals. So people are not breaking their backs to stay in a midterm rental. It is very, very affordable for the length of time they have to stay. Number three is going to be comfort, right? So, have you ever stayed in a hotel for a week long? I know I have. And by the end of that week, I'm ready to get up out of that hotel. There's no way I would want to stay in a hotel for 30 days or longer. Well, when you have a midterm rental, people are more comfortable. They have more space. They have more privacy. It's more quiet and they can do whatever they want to do in that rental. It's pretty much their home on a temporary basis. So the value of that is really, really great. And they're getting all of this for a reasonable price. So speaking of privacy, which is number four, yes, you have more privacy with a midterm rental. So you can book a place, it's yours. You don't have to worry about people running in and out of your room. You have cleaners at hotels that come in and out. And even if you put the do not disturb on the door, you might forget one day and they come in and you don't want them in your room because you have some valuable things there. So privacy is another key point, as well as you're not around a lot of people when you have a midterm rental. So you don't cross people in the hallway, you don't cross people downstairs in the lobby or share your pool with someone if you have a midterm rental. It's all about your private space. Number five, being close to work. Yes, so people who are traveling for work want to be as close as possible to their jobs. So with a midterm rental, you give the people that option to be very close to work in a comfortable, quiet space. Number six, the fact that it is furnished and has all of the household items a person needs when they come in town. This is a huge benefit, right? Because when someone is staying somewhere for a longer period of time, even though it's temporary, they still need some basic items that they cannot receive at a hotel. They might be able to receive it at a short term rental, but still, some short term rentals are set up a little bit differently than a midterm rental. Midterm rentals are set up and geared specifically for guests that are staying for 30 days or longer. So there are going to be some key items that people put in midterm rentals to make sure that their guests are comfortable. So the fact that it's furnished and people don't have to worry about anything and it has all of the household items, all they have to do is bring their clothes and show up with their personal care items. That is a great benefit for staying in a midterm rental. All right, so the next one is going to be the recreational activities. Now, yes, some hotels and resorts, and well, I'm not going to say some, most hotels and resorts have at least a workout room and a swimming pool. Some of them don't have a swimming pool, but hey. But with midterm rentals, a lot of them have amenities such as swimming pools, tennis courts, walking trails, different things like that that guests can utilize whenever they want to, right? So that is another benefit of a midterm rental. Finally, people have more options with midterm rentals. And when I say more options, that means that they can pick the type of house or place they want to stay in versus a hotel where you're given a room, whatever room they assign you, that's what you get, or whatever room you pay for, that's what you get. And it's not too, the rooms aren't too different, right? But when you have a midterm rental, you can choose between staying in an apartment, a condo, a house, a townhouse. You have options. And you also have options of the style. So you can look at the furnishings and the pictures to see, is this your style? Are you comfortable staying in a place like that? So you have options when you have a midterm rental. All right, so I have given you several reasons why midterm rentals are a benefit to people and why people want to stay in midterm rentals, right? Now, if you are interested in getting into your own midterm rental and starting your midterm rental business and provide a solution to a lot of people's problems because there aren't enough midterm rentals out here, then I have a solution for you. I actually have a online course that will teach you how to set up your midterm rental, and by the end of the course, you will be able to take this blueprint I've laid out for you and recycle it and grow your business, right? So it goes from not having anything at all, no property or anything at all, to ending up with a actual midterm rental that is ready to be booked and for you to be making some money, right? That's important as well. So if you want information about that online course, make sure you click the link in the description below and get more information about that. All right, so make sure you like and subscribe this video. Make sure you follow me on my journey. I look forward to talking to you guys soon, and you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.